Hello, everyone. Today, we're talking about a man who changed the world. His name is Jeff Bezos. In 1994, Jeff had a very good job. He lived a comfortable life, but he had a crazy idea. He wanted to sell books on the internet. Many people told him, "Jeff, this is a mistake. Why leave your job?" But Jeff had a secret. He used a rule called the regret minimization framework. He asked himself, when I am 80 years old, will I regret trying this? No, but I will definitely regret not trying. This is lesson number 1. Do not fear failure, fear regret. Jeff started Amazon in a small garage. He did not have fancy desks. He made desks out of old doors. He did not have many workers. He packed the boxes himself on the floor. Why is this important for you? Because many people wait for the perfect time. They wait for more money or better tools. But Jeff shows us that you must start with what you have. If you want to learn English, start with one sentence. If you want a business, start with one customer. Remember, every giant tree was once a small seed. Focus on the first step. Most people want success in 1 month. Jeff Bezos thinks in decades. For many years, Amazon did not make any profit. Jeff put all the money back into the company. He was building for the future. He says, slow is smooth and smooth is fast. In your life, consistency is your superpower. Don't worry if you don't see results today. If you work hard every day for 3 years, you will be unstoppable. Jeff didn't just want to sell books. He wanted to build the everything store. He stayed patient. He stayed hungry. Are you patient enough to be successful? Today, Jeff Bezos is one of the richest men on Earth. He even travels to space with his company, Blue Origin. But remember, it all started with a yes to a dream and a no to fear. You are watching this video to learn. That is your first step. Don't stop here. Take a risk, work hard, think big. As Jeff says, work hard, have fun, and make history. What history will you make today? Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please subscribe for more English motivation. See you in the next one.